Would you like to learn the 5 secrets that can actually reprogram your brain to achieve a 10x or even a 20x growth in the shortest span of time? If you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 principles that have actually helped me not 20x, but have actually 50x'd my income over a span of 24 months because of diligently following this, not because I'm anyone special, but because I followed this to the T. And I blindly followed it based on what was given to me by my mentor. So let's dive into this video. You're going to be amazed by the 5 secrets that can completely transform your financial situation, that can completely transform your life. Let's dive straight in.
Give it up for Strangest!
Hi there, Siddharth Rajshekar here, and I just want to thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching this on my Facebook page or anywhere else, please give me the love symbol and the like symbol below, and just type in the comment box eager to learn. Just type eager to learn in the comment box, because now I'm going to be revealing to you 5 secrets that helped me, massively grow over the last 24 months. And these are not just any secrets. They're like, it may seem very simple, but if you do it, trust me, you'll start to see the results within the next 90 days itself. Okay, so please have faith in what I'm telling you, because faith is the single most important factor for any kind of progress. And if I've done it and it's working for me, if thousands of my students are implementing this and working for them, I can guarantee that it will work for you, provided you believe in it and you have faith in this. Okay, so the first thing is having a goal card. For example, I have my goal card, and I wrote my goal. This was in the year 2018. I wrote this goal card, and I still have it right now. It is nicely laminated, and I'm looking at this goal card, and I read this goal card every single day. So what have I written on this goal card? I've written a very specific goal of what I want to achieve, my major milestone. Once I achieve this milestone, I will create a new goal card for my next milestone. Okay, so even the words that you use in the goal card matter the most. Okay, and when students come into my community, I actually make them write their own goal cards. And when they're having clear focus, looking at their goal card on a daily basis, it sets the intention, and it's like a reticular activation system. Okay, a guided missile. Once it's locked into a target, it starts to move in that direction. And once you're locked on your target, you'll start to make those decisions, and you'll start to see those opportunities which are in alignment with the goal that you've actually written. So for me, my goal is I've written here, I earn $1 million per month consistently on total autopilot, doing what I love, helping millions of people live a happy, prosperous, and spiritual lifestyle. And I've written, I promote the golden age. So I want to really create a wonderful world where people are able to step into their power and really contribute to the world. So money is the byproduct of really serving a lot of people. So I use very clear words. How much money I want to make, 1 million per month, consistently, on total autopilot, doing what I love. Like, do I want to make money 1 million per month doing things which I don't love? I really want to do what I love. Okay, helping millions of people. So when you help enough people get what they want in life, then you can get whatever you want in life and more. And I want people to live a happy life, a prosperous life, and a spiritually oriented life, because I'm a spiritual person, and I want people to understand that there is more to life than just making money. And then I said I promote the golden age. So the first magical thing that you can do is to go to a print shop, get a PVC card, handwrite the goal and laminate it, because you have to look at this every single day. This is always in my wallet. Okay, and I pull it out from my wallet and I read my goal on a daily basis. I pull out the card, I just look at it and I feel it, and then I keep it back inside. So this one activity, if you do, you're going to see some massive shifts in your life. The second thing you can do to change your entire game is goal writing. So this is a singular goal. This is like my major goal from a business perspective. But what you can do is you can also write your goals. In fact, right now I'm moving to my 3rd book of writing my goals. I have a notebook, and every day I write 2 pages of goals. 2 pages. Each page has around 10 goals, and these are very more specific goals. And I write those goals in a way where it is in present tense, as though I've already achieved it. And it's something like I earn $1 million per month. That's going to be there. Then I would write goals like I have 1 million happy customers in my hub. I help people become great at what they do. I help 2 billion people connect themselves spiritually with God. My net worth is $10 billion. I have a $1 billion fund that supports charities and causes that I believe in perpetually. I try to make it even more specific. Like before I picked up my Merc, I actually had written that for at least 6 months. Like I drive a beautiful white Mercedes-Benz CLA and I can smell the leather sitting inside. I started to feel the emotion of what does it really feel like. And this activity would take me around 10 to 15 minutes per day. And then I go to the next day. And the key thing is whenever you're writing your goals, do not refer to the previous day's goals. Every time you write the goals, write it in a fresh thought process. Don't look at what you have done in the previous day. Don't just copy the same thing. Okay. That the fact here is when you are able to fire the neurons in your brain to start thinking afresh and recreating that goal, the more you fire it on a daily basis, you'll start to get even more and more focused on you getting those goals. And again, the reticular activation system, once you know what you want, the opportunities, the people, the resources, and everything else will start to show up in front of your life, and you'll make those decisions to move forward. Okay, so it's a very, very powerful tip is to write your goals. Useful? Yeah. Just type amazing in the comment box. Just type amazing, because these two ideas itself, trust me, if you do it consistently, I'll tell you, not everybody will do this. A lot of people will watch this video, but very few people will actually implement this. And those who do, they are the ones who are going to achieve great things in their life. Okay. Though if you're going to be doing it, just type 100% committed in the comment box. Do it right now. I want your commitment. I don't want to just let you go like this and look at this video just as some entertainment video. Okay. Type 100% commitment. 100% committed. Yeah. Next, affirmations. Just go and search on Google for positive affirmations, affirmations for business, affirmations for health, affirmations for wealth creation. There are so many affirmations that have already been written out there. Now, what are affirmations? Affirmations are they are powerful statements that you read to yourself to reprogram your mind. Our brain is like an operating system. Okay. And most people, they are not able to move forward in their life because their operating system is outdated. So what do I mean by outdated? They have all these different views about life. They have these views about how things should be. And they are operating at an outdated operating system. And when new programs are installed, those programs do not work. For example, if you have like Windows 95, okay, if you have installed on your system, and if you install the latest version of Photoshop or Premiere or something like that, what's going to happen? It's going to crash. And that is why most people, even though in the online space, there's a lot of knowledge, there's a lot of tools, there are a lot of techniques that are there, but still people don't get results because they're not working on their operating system. So your operating system has to be reformatted and reprogrammed for the new programs to work, for the new applications to actually work. So what affirmations do is, it helps you reprogram your mind. Okay. So you read a set of affirmations, like I have something called the Freedom Creed, which I give to the students inside my community, and they read those affirmations on a daily basis, and I ask them to start their day with affirmations, because that will get them to reprogram their thoughts and their mind. And then whatever I teach them after that on the technology and the techniques and all of that, then they start to get results. So it's a combination of mindset as well as skill sets. That's why if you go and see on my YouTube channel, if you're watching on my YouTube channel, there's a playlist called Hall of Fame. See, every day there's somebody achieving success. And predominantly most of those people who achieve success they've followed my mindset principles. And then they've implemented the skill sets aspect of the game. Okay, so mindset plus skill set is important. And if you ask me, 80% of your success is in the mindset. Everything else is external communication and the tools and everything else put together. Okay, so affirmations is the third one. How many of you are going to do affirmations? Just type will do in the comment box. Type will do. Okay, number 4 is an audio that I listen to on a daily basis. It's called The Strangest Secret in the World by Earl Nightingale. It's a 1956 audio, very, very powerful. And why I like this audio is he has brought it down to the essence of the power of the mind. In 30 minutes, you will learn about what is the power of your mind. And I listen to this every single day. In my first 90 days of starting my business, I heard it every day for twice. Before I go to sleep, as soon as I wake up in the morning. Because when you're again tuning your mind, listening to this audio, which is the essence of the entire personal development world, where he talks about the power of the mind, he talks about goals, he talks about how you become what you think about most of the time. Okay. Again, law of attraction, a lot of these principles are out there, but a very practical explanation of that. So if you're able to listen to this every single day, twice, if you take this up as a challenge and do it for the next 30 days, just trust me, you're going to get amazing results. In fact, just go to YouTube and you can search for Strangest Secret in the World, Siddharth. You just type my name, you'll see my YouTube channel there, and you'll see that particular audio. Just listen to it every single day. Okay, you're going to see some massive transformation going through that. And the other thing I want to mention is number 5 is giving charity. Okay, giving charity. What I've noticed is people who are not able to progress in their life are those who are having a very scarcity mindset. Scarcity means very tight-fisted with knowledge, tight-fisted with money, thinking that there's no room for everyone to succeed, limited thinking. And when you give in charity, it'll actually open up a new dimension of your thought process, because when you're giving money without any expectation, it really puts you in a different frequency of thought. And when you operate in that frequency of abundance and a frequency of giving, of gratitude, these things will have a huge impact in your life. Okay, you want to make that 10x, 20x jump in your life? Start giving in charity. And it does not matter how much money you give. It does not matter it's not about the amount. It is about giving without expectations. And I think I mentioned in the previous videos that I give, before the 5th of every month, I give away charity of those 5 to 10 charities that I believe in, that I really want to support. And even before I pay myself first for all the investments that I want to make in my life and business, I give first. In education, towards food relief, towards temples, charities, and many things that I believe in. So when you're able to incorporate all of these 5 elements, let me recap. When you have a goal card, when you start writing your goals on a daily basis. Number 3, when you start to read affirmations and start your day with affirmations for 10 to 15 minutes per day. Listen to the Strangest Secret every single day and give charity regularly. Start your month with giving in charity. Those 1 or 2 people are watching this video who go and implement this. 1 year from now, you're going to come back to me, or you'll message me somewhere saying that, Sid, I implemented it and I can see that massive growth in my life. And I hope that person is you. Okay, I want to be signing off right now. Thank you for watching this video. What I would like you to do is, if you want to be a part of my community, I really want to create a new society for the new world. And that's what is the Internet Lifestyle Hub that you see here. You can see the logo here. Yeah, I really want to create a new society for the new world to help people to really transform the education and employment system. So if you want to really step into this game of taking your knowledge and making that into a super profitable business where you can help others with your knowledge, then please go to this link which is sids.co/formula. Watch my 45 minutes video, take action, get into my coaching system, and join a community of over 7,000, if not more right now. There are thousands of people all over the world who are implementing my model called the Freedom Business Model. Please go through that and really change your life and create an impact in the world. Thank you so much, and keep watching for my future videos. Bye-bye.